Good morning, students. Already we are seeing live class. Today we will see the thyroid. These and all already we are studying about the hormones, plant hormones and animal hormones. What are the plant hormones we are completed in live class, and animal hormones also up to hypothyroidism we are completed. So today we will see the new chapter, parathyroid gland. The parathyroid glands are four small oval bodies that are situated on the posterior surface of the thyroid lobes. The chief cells of the gland are mainly concerned with the secretion of the parahormone. Okay, so the parahormone, see, this is the thyroid gland. Your next side, the joining of your chest and head, that is the thyroid is present in that. What we are seeing in this picture, that same by parathyroid glands that you have to touch your neck. So it is small symptoms is there, the thyroid glands, the upside and the left and the right side there, and after that in our pipe is there, that is the foot pipe. So it was joined into the lungs also, that is a trachea. What is the function of parahormone? So the function is to regulate the calcium and phosphorus of our body. Okay, what is the dysfunction of the parathyroid? So it is known as tetany, muscle spasm, so and painful cramps and limb muscles. These and all phase and the contraction and relaxation time it will be happen. So it is a causes decreasing secretion of hair hormones. Okay, so islet of Langerhans, endocrine, exocrine we already discussed. So it is yellowish gland. If you are cut the chicken at that time, you are see this yellows there. It is where it is made up of portion is islets of Langerhans. So this is the leaf-like structure that is only we call as the islet of Langerhans. So it inside that the green color pancreatic duct, and next it is a blood vessels also it is joined that bile ductal and duodenum. These are the attaching part of the pancreas or islet of Langerhans. Okay. It is very, very important for the secretion of the secretion of the insulin. Okay, the islet of Langerhans consists of two types of limb. What are the alpha cells, beta cells? Alpha cells, what is it secreted? Glucogen. Beta cell, insulin. Beta cell is very, very important. If you are not secrete the insulin with islets or Langerhans, you are attacked diabetes. Okay, so function of pancreatic hormone is it is a very, very important for the maintain our glucose in our body. Insulin help in the conversion of the glucose into glycogen, so where it is stored in that liver and our skeletal muscle. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cell. It decreases the concentration of the glucose in blood. Okay, glucogen help in the breakdown of the glycogen to glucose in the liver. It increases the blood glucose level. Next, diabetes mellitus. So it is a deficiency of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. It is a characteristic by increase in blood sugar level, hyperglycemia, excretion of the excess of glucose in the urine, glycosuria, frequent urination, polyuria, increased thirst, polydipsia, appetite, polyphagia. This word is very, very important because they will ask in the one word or match the following. Okay, so please note down. Polyuria means frequent urination, polydipsia means increased thirst, polyphagia means appetite. Okay, increase in blood sugar level is hyperglycemia. Next, adrenal gland, it is located above the kidney. They are also called as a suprarenal gland. Okay, it is we having a adrenal medulla. The two distinct parts are structurally and functionally different. See, this is the adrenal gland. Okay, it's a kidney near adrenal gland. Up it is present in this. So they are this is showing the adrenal gland separate. It is joining to the kidney, but in that way it is a separate adrenal gland. We take it out that. So we will mark it because they will ask in the 2 marks. Okay, so medulla, blood vessel, cortex and capsule. Okay, so there are parts are there, 3 layers of the parts in the adrenal: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Okay, adrenal cortex, it is hormone secretaries, that is a corticosteroids. They are classified into glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid. It is regulate the cell metabolism, stimulate the formation of the glucose from the glycogen in the liver. It is anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. Okay. Next, mineralocorticoids secreted by the zona glomerulosa and aldosterone. It helps to reabsorb sodium ion from the renal tubules. It's a excretion of the potassium ion. The adrenal medulla, it is Mainly it is a hormone. It is a very richly supplied hormone because sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves, it is very helpful for this, and it is composed of one cell, that is a chromaffin cells. Underline that, one mark. It secretes two hormones. What are the hormones? Epinephrine, norepinephrine. Another name of the epinephrine, adrenaline, noradrenaline. So it is very easy to you have to understand means adrenaline and noradrenaline. It is very important, this adrenal hormone, because it is, we call it as, this is emergency hormones. Okay, adrenaline, noradrenaline together we call it as emergency hormones. One mark. It is produced during the condition of the stress and emotion. When we are having an over stress or we are affected from the emotion time, it is very helpful for the emergency hormone. So it is also referred as flight, fright and fight hormone. So emergency hormone also adrenaline, noradrenaline, and flight, fight hormones also the same, adrenaline, noradrenaline. What is the adrenaline? What function it will be do the adrenaline? So it is conversion of the glycogen to the glucose. Where it is doing? Liver and muscle. It increase the heartbeat and the blood pressure. It increase the rate of the respiration and for the dilation of the bronchi and the trachea. Where it is bronchi and trachea present? Lungs. Okay, lung. And it causes the dilation of the people in eye. Okay, so your eye is not with this very important for your people will save means because of this adrenaline only. So your emotion time automatically your eyes are, what will do? You are crying, so because of this one, it increase the blood flow through the skin. Then noradrenaline, it is the most of the action is epinephrine only. Next we go for the important is reproductive glands, that is we call as the gonads. So female it is a ovaries and the male it is a testes. The testes are present in the male and the female it is the ovaries are present. And testis, what it is having do that means it is a male hormone, reproductive hormone. It is the leading cells and serotolin cells are present. So endocrine parts of the testes we call as the leading cells. Male sex hormone name is testosterone. What is the function of testosterone? It is a spermatogenesis in the synthesis of control of the muscular growth and responsible for the development of the secondary characters. What are the characters of the secondary character? Your body and face and all, hair distribution, deep voice pattern, etc. Ovary, it is the female hormone. What is the it is a female sex hormone, estrogen and progesterone. So it is the Graafian follicles of the ovary of the progesterone and the corporatism and the rupture of the falling during ovulation. Okay, so rupture and means it will be breakdown of the ovulation time. Estrogen only, it is the puberty time only it will be active. Some changes are happen in the because it is production of the oogenesis means egg production, and the maturation of the ovary follicle in the ovary, it promotes the development of the secondary sexual character, that is a breast development and high pitched voice. So next progesterone, it is a premature change of the uterus. So uterus implantation of the embryo, and these are all important for the this. Okay, so next you go for the it maintain the pregnancy. It is essential for the formation of the placenta. Sorry ma, wait a minute, it's missed that pages, so it is only one pages. If I take means I want to complete this, so please just you have to wait us. I can take that page, and after that we will see in the last term for the hormones, that is the sex hormones. It is important for the which time it is in female, it is only for the maiden pregnancy, formation of the placenta. So placenta, I know that the baby and mom, that is a conductive organ is we call as a placenta. Thymus gland, it is the last gland. It is a lymphoid gland located in the upper part of the chest, and it is covering lower of the trachea. It is secretion of the hormone name is thymosin, where it is secreted thymus. What is the function of thymosin? Affect the immune function and production and differentiate the lymphocytes. So this is the function. So that's all about this lesson. Okay, so I can complete that up to hormone lesson. Next lesson, next class we will see. Thank you.